Welcome to my channel. Hello friends. Today we will see the new features of iOS 18 new calculator. Let's start it. Let's talk about the new calculator in iOS 18. It's packed with some awesome features that make it more powerful and user-friendly than ever. First off, iOS 18 does away with the limit on how many digits you can enter. In the past, if you ran out of space, you had to switch to landscape mode. But now, the digits just keep going off screen, and you can swipe left or right to see the rest of your calculation. This is perfect for when you're working with big numbers or longer equations. Next up is the equation history feature, which is super handy. The calculator now saves all of your previous calculations. If you want to check an old calculation, just tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and your full history will pop up. If you need to use or edit a previous equation, just tap it, and it'll appear right on the screen again. You can even delete old entries in edit mode to keep things neat. Now, let's talk about built-in unit conversions. By tapping the button in the bottom left corner, you can switch to the converter tool. This lets you convert all sorts of units like length, energy, data, angles, and more. For example, if you want to convert 1000 centimeter to meter, it'll do that instantly. No need for a separate app. This makes unit conversions a breeze. For those who need more advanced functions, iOS 18 has a scientific mode. You'll get functions like sine, cosine, tangent, logarithms, and more. Just switch off the conversion tool, and boom, you've got a full scientific calculator ready to go. One of the coolest new features is called Math Notes. By tapping the pencil and paper icon in the bottom right, you can handwrite or type equations right on the screen, and the calculator will recognize and solve them. For example, if you scribble out 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, the calculator will detect it and give you the answer immediately. This is especially great if you prefer a more visual, hands-on approach. With all these new features, the iOS 18 calculator has become an all-in-one tool. Whether you're doing basic math, advanced calculations, or converting units, it's got everything you need all in one app.